Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Today we're here at the lovely Shores of Panama condominium right on the Gulf.
Can't wait to check this one out.
Yes.
Great location on the east end of the beach off of Thomas Drive. Lots of great local restaurants down here. Let's go check it out. Hey there, we're over here in this great 2-bedroom with a bunk over here in Shores of Panama. It is a Gulf front unit. Lots of natural light coming in from the corner balcony, great Gulf views, multiple sides of this open concept living area that goes into the kitchen, just enough space, stainless steel appliances, plenty of cabinetry. You have everything you need, but not too much to clean up too. Let's go see what Heather has going on in the ensuite.
Welcome to this main ensuite. I just can't stop staring at the views. All you see is water all the way around. You've got this big window here, and you even have a glass door access to the balcony, so you've got continued views all around. It is an ensuite, so you've got a great full bath right here and attached. And as Britt already shared, this is a 2-bed plus a bunk room. So what's really great, you've got 2 en-suites and a half a bath attached to this sweet little bunk room. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link and some more details for you to check it all out.
And make sure you don't forget to click on our channel, thebeachshow.com, subscribe. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.